I'm Alex with Gutter Brush, and I'm here to talk about the damage that gutter guards can do when they are installed into the roof or intersecting the roof. Usually you can get a beautiful roof and the bottom courses are supposed to be fastened and stuck together. That's what keeps the wind from lifting the bottom courses of shingle. And then some gutter guard installer thinks that your clogged gutters are important enough to risk your roof. So what they do is they'll install a device, a screen, a cover, and they'll jam it underneath the shingles. That can really damage the shingles. Those shingles are supposed to be stuck down so that the wind can't lift them up. And in order for them to slide in there, they're separating the shingles, sometimes tearing the shingles and peeling the shingle away from its fasteners. It's really not a good idea. It can weaken the shingle and it can be an expensive repair in the future. So you really don't want to allow a gutter guard company to intersect anything with your roof. It can void warranties, but even more importantly, when it's time to remove the roof, they're going to have to remove the entire gutter guard. So don't intersect the roof or mess with the roof in order to solve a clogged gutter. Thanks very much.